following segment is sponsored by Oakdale Egg Farms.
Well, he's calling it cloudy with a chance of avocados.
Is this a recipe or a weather forecast?
Or a fun movie. Let's check in with Chef Brian.
Well, welcome to the kitchen, everyone. I've just whipped up some egg whites here. And of course, when you're choosing eggs, why not choose for the best? Oakdale eggs, no hormones, cage-free, always the best product, no antibiotics, and they are delicious. The egg whites whip up beautifully. And we're creating cloudy with a chance of avocados today. I can't wait to show you what I'm meaning here. So you can see now I have the egg whites whipped up. Now these are whipped up to a stiff peak. I have a Silpat on a baking sheet. Silpat is a food-grade silicone that has a mesh center, and so nothing sticks to it. Well, I'm going to say almost nothing sticks to it. I have in my career found some things that do stick to it. So now what I'll do is I'll just divide these egg whites into two. Just kind of spread these out. I have added some pepper and some salt into them, so they have salt and pepper in them. And let's just get that last scoop right onto there. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and so that's important to have that oven preheated. Okay, once that I get these all done, I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to just kind of shape them into some round shapes, just like a cloud. And so a lot of people may know these by cloud eggs. And so that's what we're doing, is having some fun. I'm shaping this little top here because later I'm going to have an egg yolk in there. And so let's just shape this one here as well. Just a little form into there. Now these are all ready to go into the oven, which has been preheated. They're going to go in for about 10 minutes just to set. When they come out, I'm going to put these yolks in the center back into the oven for another 5 minutes to finish cooking them off. So here is our cloudy. Let's get those into the oven. And when we come back, guys, I'll show you how to finish all of this up.
Go back to Chef Brian.
Cloudy with a chance of avocado toast.
Welcome back to my kitchen, everybody. We're doing cloudy with a chance of avocado toast today. I think it's kind of fun with Oakdale eggs. Whenever you need eggs, just reach for Oakdale eggs, everyone. So now what I'm doing is I have some toasted bread here. I'm going to put some slices of avocado on it. I took, after about 10 minutes, I took the meringue out of the oven that was baking, the egg whites that we whipped up earlier, and I placed into it the yolk into the center, back into the oven for about 5 more minutes to semi-cook that yolk, so it's still going to be nice and soft. So now I just have the toast, I have the avocado on there, and what I'm going to do now, very carefully, be sure you use a hot pad. You're going to just kind of, with your spatula, reach underneath there and just kind of scoop that over so it's right on top of, there we go. I was going to grab a butter knife so I could slide that off of there. A little bit easier. There we go. Slide that over on top of that avocado so that it is right on top. So very, very simple to do. Now these would be fun on a platter or something like that even. You could grate some cheese over the top if you wanted to. However you wanted to do it. It's just a fun idea to use with eggs. So no hormones, no antibiotics, cage-free, vegetarian fed at that matter too. Oakdale eggs is always a great option for breakfast. So let's put some more avocado on here. We'll create one more. I found a blue plate that I thought would be kind of fun to represent the sky. I think it'd be kind of fun. So there's the avocado on there. Because avocado toast is a big thing right now, paired with some eggs on top. What a perfect combination. So we have a beautiful egg dish here with avocado toast right on top, cloudy with a chance of avocados, I'm calling it. It's just kind of a fun thing. So head on over, grab the recipe, everybody, and thanks to Oakdale Eggs.